guys, how are you all doing? It's been such a long time since I did an unboxing video, and specifically Sugarbox unboxing video, and here I am. But it's a very sad day for me because I'm going to make the worst Sugarbox ever video. Now, I'm not a person who makes a hate video, but honestly I this time felt that Sugarbox is not worth it, or maybe Sugarbox is losing the thing that it used to have. So let me show you what I got in my September Sugarbox, which has no name first of all. And when I open it, the first thing that I see is this. As you all know, they send a bag. Honestly, I feel it's useless. Broke is written over here and I don't like it. I'm sorry. The first thing. The second thing that they have given me is I don't know what this is. Now this is such a bad quality. Of course this looks like a shower cap, but this is so huge, and I don't know. I don't know if this is worth it. I don't know if they should send me this plastic. Anyways, now this is the third thing. This is a chocolate. The next thing they sent me is this cute little hot water bottle, and this is cute. I mean, I'll not say this isn't cute, but it's not what I use. I mean, it's something I have to give to a little girl or something, but I don't know what she'll do out of it. So anyways, that's again useless for me. Another thing is this. Now what is this? It's a mirror. Okay, so it's a mirror. It's a rainbow mirror, though it's okay. I mean, I don't want to just rant about how bad it is, but this is something maybe I'll use and I'll put in my purse. The next thing are these earrings. These are plastic earrings, very bad quality. Didn't like it at all. The next thing is this t-shirt. This is the t-shirt they've given me, but honestly this is like okay, maybe, I don't know, it's just me, or I mean the cloth and everything, I don't know, I just didn't get the feel. I just didn't get the feel that I'm going to use any of it ever, like ever. And there's one thing I'm definitely gonna gift some cute little doll, like this is a shaker or a bottle kind of a thing with a straw. This is good quality, and again I have a lot of them and I'm not using it. So the thing is, what has happened to you, Sugarbox? You should really work on your concept, because it's such a nice concept. We have enjoyed so many Sugarboxes and I'm personally so attached with this brand. But I'm so sorry that this time I was so disappointed that I had to make a video on the worst Sugarbox ever. I mean, I can't believe it. But anyways, it's not worth 1500 rupees, and that's it. I think a lot of you will see it who have seen Sugarbox before. Please comment in the comment section. I would like to hear you all. Thank you. Bye.